Good morning, traders. I know some of you are a little puzzled, maybe frustrated. I certainly am frustrated on why the SPY has rebounded. Just to show you, just the technicals of it, or just why we've bounced. You had a couple of trend lines right here, pretty solid. Um, it bounced last night around 10 o'clock. Kind of hovered there, and once Europe started to open, we started to take off. So we know that oil seems to have recovered okay. It's holding. The CL is holding. The SPY, though, on the way up, as you can see, this topping tail here. And, pre-market trading is always just, a little bit different, guys. So you got to just be a little bit careful. I just wanted to get these fib charts in here. So this is what we're looking at right now. We could work our way. If we're going to try to find our way into yesterday's channel over here, this is kind of like the same deal as yesterday. And we had a pretty dramatic rush up when the market opened, trying to catch up to the previous day's channel from Thursday into Wednesday. So if we're going to try to catch up to today's channel, it should be a pretty big move when we open up here. See this fib chart here. If we're going to look at 278.75 as your bottom fib, where one of the spots where this bottom tail touched here. The top fib on this chart is going to look at 283.57. Now again, because it's pre-market trading, you never quite know. But this is the momentum we have. And it's a little bit like yesterday where I mentioned, we might have that W coming. So the other direction obviously would be to try to catch back up into this descending channel. On the way down there, this is your fib chart. Possibly, there's two of them set there, possibly on the way down. So if we get below 280.44, very likely, as you can see, we got some trend lines and we got some fib lines. So we are going to dance around these on the way down. So it's not going to be a dramatic move and return to this bottom channel. On the way up, though, I would see more of a quick move up, like what we saw yesterday, where we just kind of started to rush into the previous day's ascending channel. So we're going to keep, this is a pretty key level right here. See, we got our fib chart, 281.16, just below it. And your middle fibs, this is your 50% retrace from these two fib lines. So your 50% trace is 281.90. Haven't quite made it that far yet today. Didn't quite touch this descending trend line. I would expect us to be touching that within trading this morning, and we'll see. Without news, obviously Gilead's news kind of turned things around yesterday. Today, who knows? Who knows what can happen? Who knows what could come out? It sure seems like the stock market buys all the bad news. It seems that we really need to see any sharp sell-offs like we had yesterday. It really just seems like we're not getting too many of those lately. So these liquidation breaks have also started to occur less frequently. So, we've had a lot more stability into the market. So for those of us who have tried to hold positions overnight, especially options traders, we're getting smoked. And then even during the day, because of Chop Fest. This is what it's been. It's been a complete Chop Fest, except for yesterday. We did have that rush up in the morning. And then the Gilead news came out, and sharp, dramatic selling. So, is this morning a short cover rally? That's very possible. As you can see here, when our markets start to open, you get like 6 and 7 o'clock, and our brokers start to open here. Some will start at 4. You're going to see people probably panic out of their positions. So it could be a short cover rally. This is a little dramatic. Anything is possible. It's just this market's really starting to get on my nerves. And quite frankly, I'm very close to, really, maybe doing 1 or 2 trades a day, because it's not that the market hasn't become the market still is somewhat predictable in providing us direction, but it's so slow that us options traders are it's just not even worth playing the market. So good luck. I hope everybody does well today. I'm not going to be even doing much trading because I don't really have the capital to do so today. So Monday will be a new day. I'll be in the market a little bit, and good luck.